Hey everyone, Mr. Minsky here. This short little video to introduce our class. Just want to kind of get you all up to date on what we're going to do throughout the semester. This is Convention Group Sales, HAMG 2330. This is the most event management focused class that we have here in our curriculum. So I'm really excited to work with all of you. I know every single one of you. So I'm looking forward to having you back in class. I'm going to skip through a lot of my information. And since you guys all know this, and jump right into our class expectations. So our class will be on Thursdays from 10:45 to 1:30. Almost all of our assignments are going to be due at 8 a.m. on Thursday. And then we're going to talk about a lot of things in class. If you have some experience with event planning or planning events for local nonprofits or your church or just, for family and friends. I look forward to collaborating and learning from each one of you about different things that you've done and things that I've done. There are going to be a few videos for a few chapters, so we'll, like usual, watch those. For success in this class, please make sure that you manage your time effectively, keeping track of assignments and when they're due. Using Microsoft Office, which is free in ACES, that will allow you to create PowerPoints, use Word, use Excel if you need to, for different projects that we have going on in class. And then also, we do have the textbook. So that's at the bookstore. Make sure that you order that and go pick that up so that way we can use the information from the textbook. I will admit there's no one person that can be an absolute expert in everything when it comes to event planning. So I will be bringing in guest speakers to come and talk to you all. AV is something that I do not have very little. I have very little knowledge of AV. And so I hope they'll bring in an AV. We'll do some field trips. We might go to the convention center. We might go to a warehouse that processes linen and decor. So lots of great opportunities for us to get outside of campus on this class. Yes, please get your textbook. It will come with that access code for AHLEI. So each one of you should have your AHLEI account. So make sure you have that and you can redeem that access code and we'll get the test going so we can make sure we're covering all the information that's going to be on the test. You guys all know how to get a hold of me. Just remember my virtual office hours are going to be posted in Canvas. One of my most favorite things that I'm looking forward to in this class, because it is an event planning class, back in 2024, we planned a dessert and appetizer competition for high school students. And through that event, I taught a variety of concepts of developing sponsorships, gathering logos and doing sponsor boards and recognition, doing registration lists and all those kinds of things. So I'm going to teach you about event planning as we execute the same event. It's not going to be identical because it'll have different people planning it, but it'll be very similar. It will still be a dessert and appetizer competition. It'll be sometime in April. And it's going to be one of my most favorite events that I look forward to every year. So again, I'm looking forward to having you all in class and working really closely with you. There's only 6 of us, so it is a really small class, but we'll get to know each other really well. We'll see you soon.